This is how I make this simple plantain porridge. So I pour in my diced unripe plantain into a pour in some dry fish and add oil. Then I go on to add onions and I add some fresh pepper already blended. Then I also go on to stir, add salt, other ingredients that I'm gonna use to prep this. So this is my black pepper, my white pepper powder, and I allow it simmer a bit, and this is it. Like I said, this is very simple and easy to prep. So I go in with my crayfish, and guys, food is ready. Like just as simple as. So I give a quick stir, and then the next thing I'm gonna add some opaka. This is oil bean seed. I also add more crayfish. I allow it cook a bit. The next thing I'm gonna add some scent leaves. I allow this cook a bit. This is gonna bring out some flavor. It's gonna make it so flavorful. So the next thing is to add my ugu leaves. This is pumpkin leaves. So I turn a bit, allow it cook for a little while, very little while, because I want my leaves to be as fresh as possible. So guys, this is my porridge plantain. So ready. So guys, let's eat. So I serve a portion, and this is all the portion I'm gonna be eating, guys. This is so delicious. Let me know if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.